So today I'm going to take you through our platform, which is called Reino Forms. Okay, so you can just use your favorite browser. I will recommend to use Chrome or Brave browser. So you just go ahead into your browser after opening it, of course. Okay, after your browser has launched, go ahead into the search bar, and then search for Reino Forms. Okay, you search for Reino Forms. So you just type renoforms.com, or you can just search Reino Forms. This is still okay. You will get the same platform. Okay. Then as it loads, okay, the first page to display is of course the landing page. Okay, so this is how the landing page looks like. So you will then go right ahead to signing page, and if you have not registered, you can use the sign up button, which leads you to the sign up page. There you can register. But if you have registered to the platform, you can just proceed and sign in. Okay, you first of all type in your email. So after finishing, you type in your email, enter your password. If you remember your password, you can fill in. Okay, so then just click sign in. Then ikifunguka platform ikifunguka, okay, you are taken straight away to the dashboard, and then on your left side scroll sidebar, so you can scroll through and see the features that are on the platform. So you can create your CV right there. That's a CV editor. You can create resume, you can create cover letter. Okay, so wacha tuanze na CV. Let's see what CV has. So ukiopen CV editor, first of all you are shown the template where you are required to choose a template that you want to use. So for instance, ukichagua hiyo, so you are taken through the editor. That's a tour guide which just shows you or directs you how the editor works, or where to find what where. Okay, but we can skip because mimi najua kutumia your editor, but if you don't know, you can just use the editor. It will guide you through. Let me try to fill in my details. Okay, nataka ni change hiyo Amin Nur, na pia job title, my professional title niweke my name. Let's start with my name. Okay, na pia unaweza ona like the moment una type in the editor ina appear automatically to your document. So on the right is a document, on the left is the editor. So mali tuna type ni editor, and then mali ina appear what you're typing appears is the document. Okay, so when you are using a big screen, that's what you see, but on the phone it is different. Okay, so job title unit, I guess. I know I'm not a security guy, but let's go with cyber security, senior security analyst. Okay, you can enter your number, you can enter your email. Okay, let's change our email. Oh, my email. Let me change my email. Okay, you can fill all the remaining reports. Okay, of course hata hiyo sauti unaisikia ni ya mwanaume, so I'm male. Then you can fill the other sections. As you can see, unaweza fill the other section, okay, based on what you want your CV to have. Okay, so let's change this part. That's a professional summary. Okay, you can type in your information based on what you want to be there. So after umemaliza kufill in your professional summary, una proceed downwards where you find the work experience section. Okay. So hapa kwa job title unaweza fill in your job title based on your work experience. So for instance, mimi nitatumia security manager. You know, I'm just guessing the titles, you know, juu mimi si security guy. Okay, so if there's any security person watching this video, please bear with me. Hapa na guess the titles. Okay, so security manager. Okay, and then also let's add some skills. Of course, huwezi kosa skill, it is very important. So tutoe hizi, these skills are not related to security person, but tuzitoe tuweke at least something relatable to security. Okay, so JWT, but with security must explain what that means. JWT, and then course security, course securities. So these are just some of mechanism that we use in web development, okay, to provide security for the way front end and back end communicate. So we just use this mechanism to prevent unauthorized access to the platform or sending requests from unauthorized and now after filling in your details, you can save. You can choose to save. And when you save, it automatically appears on my document. So hapo kwa sidebar, unakuja kwa sidebar, the navigation for my document, utapata hapo the list of all your documents. So you can choose to download, okay? You can choose to download or export, then so that you are able to print. You export, then you go ahead to print to a hard copy. Then you can just follow the same procedure for creating a cover letter. You click on cover letter editor hapo kwa sidebar, and then it takes you to templates where you choose a template to use, then editor. Okay, but for cover letter, it's very easy by the way to create cover letter with using Reino Forms. You just fill in your job title and then the company. And the good thing about this platform is the moment you sign up, it will just automatically use the names you have provided when you are registered. So make sure pia unatumia the correct or real details so that the platform just picks your details automatically, and then when you create the document inakuwekea hapo directly. Okay, so you just fill the job title, the company, and then unapea AI, Reino AI. By the way, it has an AI there in the editor where you can describe the details. You enter any additional details, and then Reino AI will generate for you a nice cover letter, very very fast and easy. Okay, so after filling in, you just click on generate button, then it will generate So Reino Forms has finished to generate our cover letter, as you can see. So before your cover letter equal the content to be moved to a document, Reino AI will give you the changes that has been applied to your document before it is replicated into the main document. So lazima approve ndizo changes zikuwe moved. So click approve, then your document will be updated with the details or the response given by Reino AI. So as you can look, like as you can see, the document very good, very neat, with all the information. And then the good thing is that you can edit directly, unaweza type directly into your document. So for instance, Reino AI generated maybe it gave the response with the information that you don't want. Unaweza edit directly, just delete, or if the spacing is an issue, you just space your document, your text, your paragraph, your lines directly in the document. Ukimaliza una save or export, as you can see on top there.